Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look for you guys. It's this gold bronzy smoky eye. I love how it turned out, and paired with this warm, rich, burnt orange shade is so perfect for fall. I'm loving it. I feel like a bronzy look is so perfect for all seasons, summer or fall, so I wanted to create this look for you guys. And you can always come back to this video for reference on how to create this look in the summertime when you're going for your bronzy, glowy looks. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Keeper. First, going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease all the way into this inner corner of my crease area. And then I'm going to start doing little circular motions to start blending this out. I'm now picking up Drip. I'm now switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first packing on the shadow onto this outer half of my lid. And then I'm going to start slowly bringing that up and through the crease, just doing little circular motions starting from this outer corner and then blending that inward towards the inner corner of my crease. And then going back into Keeper and applying that just at the very high point of this crease to bring back this more golden shadow. Now going into Keeper and my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma, I'm just going to start running this on my lower lash line and bringing it down a little bit further, just because I want this to be the last shadow, again, peeking through at the very bottom. And then going in with Drip and my E15 Flat Definer Brush, I'm first kind of wiggling in that shadow really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to start bringing that shadow a little bit down and blending that out. I'm now going into Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Mystic Gold. I'm now applying this shadow stick right in this empty area of my lid. So first I'm just going to take my finger and just blend out the edge, kind of just pushing that outward. And then I'm just going to take my brush with nothing on it and just lightly blend out the edge of this shadow stick. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up Flyby. Now with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I love a gold or bronzy eye with a really bright highlighted inner corner. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm first going to tightline, and now I'm going to line my waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and so I'm going to these Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 860. And that's the eye look done. So for my lips, I really want to do something that's perfect for fall just because it is the fall time, but honestly with a bronzy eye, you could do any lip. You could do like a super vampy lip, a red lip, a nude lip, or like I'm going to do today is kind of a more vampy fall orange lip, which I'm really excited to try this out. I actually have tried this out, but I haven't tried it out here for you guys to show you what the shade looks like. I have on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to check out other looks that I don't always post on YouTube. So I loved the shade, so I want to try it out again with this bronzy eye and see how it is. And this is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick in I Amaze. So I want to try this new setting spray. I haven't tried it yet, and I'm really curious to see how it is. It's so beautiful. So this is the, look at how like the lights are just bouncing right off of it. So this is the Ofra Rodeo Drive Face and Body Mist, a radiant setting spray. So I'm curious to see how this is. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to just spritz this all over my face. So it definitely does have some shimmer in it because my lips are now a little shimmery, which actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, I really like it. My face feels really refreshed right now. I had so much powder on, but it looks so pretty. And that is it. This is a completed look of my gold and bronze smoky eye paired with a burnt orange lip that's perfect for fall. I hope that you guys enjoyed. This look honestly is really perfect for fall because of the lip. You can obviously throw on a different lip. You could do a bright coral, a nude, a red, a vampy lip. Honestly, any lip would look amazing with this look, and you can kind of make it match to what season you're in. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!